Namaskar aspirants, this is the continuation of our video series on motor design and its components. Let's start. Our first question is between the periods of injection and ignition of the fuel, a diesel engine crankshaft rotates through and the options are detonation period, firing period, delay period, advance period. The period between injection and ignition of the fuel is called delay period. So the correct answer should be delay period. Our next question is, the cylinder liner forming the cylinder wall and the inside of the water jacket is called in case of water jacket, the liner are wet liner. So out of these four options of dry liner, wet liner, jacket liner, corrugated liner, the correct answer should be wet liner. Our next question is, the purpose of an interference angle in a diesel engine exhaust valve is to, and the two options are given, work in conjunction with the valve rotators to rotate the valve, seat the valve quickly. Interference angle in a diesel engine exhaust, there is no relation between work in conjunction with valve rotators to rotate the valve and interference angle, and this interference angle is given to seat the valve quickly. So the correct answer should be one only. The correct answer should be seat the valve quickly, so the correct answer will be second only. The purpose of an interference angle in a diesel engine exhaust valve is to, and seat the valve quickly we have already discussed, and due to if the valve will seat quickly and which will cause to break up of the seat deposit, the carbon deposits on the surface, so both will be correct. So both 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. One function of diesel engine lubricating oil is to induce carbon formation on the cylinder walls. This should not be the correct answer, because if the carbon formation will happen on the cylinder walls, it will reduce the heat transfer and will cause to overheating of the cylinder liner, improve fuel penetration in the combustion space. There is no relation with this. Form a friction reducing film between meeting surface. Yes, this should be the correct answer, because one of the function of lubricating oil is to reduce friction. Lubricate the fuel injectors? No. So the correct answer will be form a friction reducing film between meeting surfaces. Our next question is, open combustion chambers are designed to, and the options are eliminate carbon buildup, improve piston cooling, prevent air charge turbulence, provide proper fuel air mixing. The correct option should be provide proper fuel air mixing. Let's see what is this. The open combustion chamber is used in medium and high speed engines. The combustion chamber is made like groove inside the top of the piston, and injector is fitted at the center of the cylinder head so that it injects the fuel in the combustion chamber. This is an example of open combustion chamber. Yes, here it is. This is an example of open combustion chamber. In a diesel engine, exhaust valve opens before the intake ports are uncovered, and the options are reduced pumping losses, reduced back pressure. Both options are correct. Critical speed occurring within the operating speed range of a main propulsion diesel engine may be changed or have their damaging effects reduced by A or N, and the options are engine support vibration isolator, detuners or viscous fluid dampers, lightened crankshaft flywheel, spherically seated crankshaft bearing. The correct option will be detuners and viscous fluid damper. The amount of fuel injected into a diesel engine cylinder by a unit injector is controlled by, and the options are the firing pressure in the cylinder, a metering helix inside the pump, varying the physical length of the plunger stroke, varying the clearance between the injector cam and injector rocker arm. And the correct answer will be a metering helix inside the pump. This controls the effective stroke length of the pump, which bearing half will receive the greatest load in the 2-stroke cycle diesel engine. All bearing halves share an equal load. Upper half of the main bearing, lower half of the piston, pin bearing in the connecting rod, lower half of the connecting rod bearing at the crankshaft end of the rod. The correct answer should be lower half of the piston pin bearing in the connecting rod, because this after the combustion process, this is the place where maximum loading happens. All of the force is transmitted through this to the crankshaft. So this should be the correct answer. That's all for today. See you soon.